you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Thanksgiving is officially gone. It has come and gone, and now it is time to clean out my refrigerator, throw away all the leftovers, give it a good clean, and do a grocery haul. So I want to bring you along and do like a grocery haul slash fridge tour, show you how I organize in there and how I store a lot of my produce, just get cleaning and have a fresh new start. This is what my fridge is looking like right now. It is a madhouse. We still got some leftovers and we're gonna get this cleaned out. So let me go ahead and work on getting this cleaned out, and then I'm gonna head out and get some groceries.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Alright guys, I'm making progress with the fridge. So I have the fridge completely taken apart. Everything inside is looking good. I got it nice and clean, and man, was this fridge deep clean was much needed. I really wanted to wait until after Thanksgiving when I knew getting rid of a lot of things, and so I've just been going through, checking dates, getting rid of things that we haven't used in a while or things that may be expired. Got the fridge completely taken apart, and now I'm just hoping that I can remember how to put it back together. Let me give you a peek inside real quick. She is looking good. Oh my god, she is so clean. Literally everything is so clean. I just got inside of here, so the condiment section is nice and clean. I'm just drying off a lot of pieces and gonna get this reassembled, and then I'm gonna jump into organizing the things that I did keep. So I have a couple of these bags and I don't like how they are in my refrigerator, so I'm gonna go ahead and just transfer them over to some mason jars just so that they can be organized a little bit better. Whenever I'm transferring stuff to mason jars, I always like to write the date at the bottom so I can keep up with the expiration. So this is going to be better than this bag in my refrigerator. So I'm going to go ahead and move over the flax and a couple of other items that I use in my smoothie. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer them into mason jars. Guys, I was able to get the fridge completely clean inside and out. I'm gonna give you a peek inside, give you a fridge tour, show you what I set up. I got rid of a lot of things, so it is very minimal in there, and I'm very happy with that. So let's just jump into it. Let's have a peek. So here on the door, I just have my pickled radishes, and I have some olives, some mustard, and some peri-peri sauce. Down here, I just have my smoothie that I'm about to have. Down here, I just have some toppings and some milk. Down here, I have my elderberry, some fire cider, some Perrier, and a couple of beers. This is all on the door. I got rid of a lot of things. This is it. Then on this side, I have the girls' apple juice up top. I have the coconut water down below, and then we have a couple bottles of our alkaline water. We drink the 10. We have some parsley. This is great. This is a great way to keep your herbs fresh. Give your ants a fresh clip and just put them in some water like a vase. Then I have a pineapple in there that I'm gonna be juicing, and some orange juice and some pomegranate juice back there. Then I have my carrots and some blueberries, raspberries. In this tray here, this is like my smoothie tray. So I have all the things that I use in my smoothies. I have some almond butter. I have my spinella, some tahini, some flax. I have my green vibrants and some yogurt. Here I have my egg. I have some chicken noodle soup that I just cooked there. In this drawer is just like my meats and my cheeses. In this drawer, I have my daughter's yogurt and our butter and some guacamoles. In this drawer, we have our fruit. We have some apples, green apples, red apples, some oranges, and I have a couple of lemons and limes back there. And down below, I have a couple of produce that I'm gonna be cooking for my meal prep, and I have some vegetables. So I don't have a ton of vegetables right now because I am eating out of my garden at the moment. Let me give my fridge a close because it is beeping. That is it for today's fridge clean out. Thanks for hanging out with me today, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to please like this video. Meet me down in the comments. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.